Hey there, and welcome back. In today's list, we'll be taking a look at the top 17 birds that cannot fly. As always, give the video a like if you're new here, and also subscribe for more lists just like this one. Let's get into today's top list. Number 17. Kiwi. There are 5 species of flightless kiwis, all brown chicken-sized birds endemic to New Zealand. Like all other flightless birds, kiwis have vestigial wings and their feathers are hair-like and soft. Unusual for birds, kiwis' nostrils are on the tip of their bills rather than at the base. Unique kiwi facts: females lay eggs that are up to 0.5 kg, the biggest egg relative to body size of any living species. Number 16. Takahe. As with many of New Zealand's flightless birds, the Takahe was thought to be extinct from the late 1800s, until it was rediscovered alive and well in 1948. This small, medium-sized ground-dwelling bird has short wings, large feet with long toes, along with bright colorization consisting of red and blue plumage, and a red bill and legs. Number 15. Weka. The brown, chicken-sized Weka bird is an unremarkable flightless bird, endemic to New Zealand. They are an important food source for native New Zealanders and European settlers, and their numbers have declined dramatically over the past few hundred years. Although Wekas are not able to fly, they do possess some serious swimming skills. Number 14. Kakapo. The kakapo is another New Zealand flightless bird that also goes by the name of the owl parrot and the mighty moss chicken. It's an unusual looking nocturnal bird with finely blotched yellow-green plumage that allows it to camouflage as shrub in its ground nest. Their small but heavy bodies give them the title of the world's heaviest parrot, and their special skill is a super loud booming call that could be heard up to 1 kilometer away. Number 13. Macaroni Penguins. As with birds generally, most penguin species mate for life. Macaroni penguins, also known as royal penguins, take loving relationships to the new level. However, performing an ecstatic display when they see each other after being apart, puffing up their chest, swinging their heads round, and making a gargling sound. Once their chick is hatched, the father stays with the offspring, while the mother heads off to hunt for food for the family. Number 12. Dwarf Cassowary. The smallest of the cassowary species, but still big enough to make this list. The Dwarf Cassowary also goes by the names of Bennett's Cassowary, Little Cassowary, Mountain Cassowary, and Marook. Dwarf cassowaries are only found in mountain forests up to elevations of 3,300 meters in New Guinea, New Britain, and Yapen Island. Number 11. King Penguin. King penguins live on selected islands in the outer reaches of Antarctica, as well as Tierra del Fuego on the tip of the South American continent. They are the second species of penguins on the list, reaching heights of 1 meter and weighs only 18 kilograms, around the same weight as the largest flying bird. Number 10. Lesser Rhea, or Darwin's Ray. The Lesser Rhea stands up to 1 meter tall and weighs in around 20 kilograms. It's found in South America, roaming both the Andean antelope and the open Patagonia steppe. Lesser Rheas occur singly or in small groups, and males take care of their young birds. Number 9. Domestic Turkey. Wild and domestic turkeys are the same species, native to North America, unlike wild turkeys. However, domesticated turkeys are not able to fly as they have been selectively bred to be so heavy. Because they're unable to fly, they don't use their breast muscles, meaning their breast meat is white, unlike wild turkeys which have dark, gammy breast meat. Number 8. Emperor Penguin. Emperor penguins are the tallest and heaviest of all penguins, and are only found in Antarctica. Male and female emperor penguins are flightless and similar in size and colourings to females, but perform very different functions in the breeding season. Hundreds of male emperor penguins huddle together to protect their eggs from the extreme cold for 2 months of the dark Antarctic winter, as the females head out to sea to hunt. During this time, males lose close to half of their body weight. Number 7. Greater Rhea. Greater Rheas are the largest birds in the Americas, native to Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Paraguay, and Uruguay. As with so many birds on this list, the Greater Rhea is flightless and extremely fast bird, able to reach 35 km per hour using their long, powerful legs. Along with their high speeds, they protect themselves from predators by gathering in flocks of up to 100 birds during the non-breeding season. Number 6. Northern Cassowary. A smaller cousin of the Southern Cassowary, the Northern Cassowary is endemic to the northern New Guinea. The females of the species are larger than the males, weighing up to 70 kilograms and standing 1.7 meters tall. Despite their stocky build, the Northern Cassowary, also known as the single or one-wattled cassowary or golden neck cassowary, can run in bursts at 50 kilometers an hour. Number 5. Southern Cassowary. The Southern Cassowary is a huge, flightless black bird found in northeastern Australia, Indonesia, and New Guinea, one of 3 cassowary species. They also go by the name double-wattled cassowary, Australian cassowary, and the 2-wattled cassowary. As well as being the 4th largest bird in the world, the Southern Cassowary has a claim to be the most dangerous bird on Earth. Each of their large feet have sharp 13cm claws they use to kick out in defense, and have been known to kill humans. Number 4. Emu. Australia's emus are like a shaggier, slightly smaller ostrich, and like ostriches are not built for flight. The females of the species are larger than the males and can reach 1.9 meters tall, which makes them the 3rd largest bird in the world. Their speed is impressive too, able to reach 48 kilometers per hour, using 3-toed feet and tiny wings to keep them stable when running. Number 3. Somali Ostrich. The Somali Ostrich was considered a subspecies of Common Ostrich until 2014, when it was assigned as a distinct species, native to Somalia and parts of Ethiopia and Kenya. The Somali Ostrich is generally a little lighter than its Common Ostrich cousin, but is just as impressive with its running speed and is able to cover 5 meters in one single stride. Number 2. Common Ostrich. The Common Ostrich is the tallest, heaviest, and all-round biggest bird in the world, with an average height of over 2 meters and a weight of up to 160 kilograms. At this size, the ostrich is, of course, flightless, but can outrun plenty of animals with its top speed of over 69 kilometers per hour. Their long, powerful legs double up as defense weapons, which pack a powerful kick to would-be predators. Fun ostrich fact, they are able to survive without water for days, generating water internally and extracting water from vegetation. Number 1. Guineafowl. Guineafowl are found in the savannas and grasslands of Africa, with their distinctive bright blue head and neck and hanging red wattle. They are terrestrial birds, prefer to run rather than fly when alarmed. They're often seen scratching around in loose soil, like chickens, looking for food such as seeds, fruit, greens, snails, spiders, worms, and insects. They also take on larger prey with their strong claws such as frogs and toads, lizards, small snakes, and small mammals. These birds are able to fly, but spend the vast majority of their lives on the ground, only taking to the air when they're in imminent danger. And that concludes our today's list of birds who cannot fly. What was your favourite? Leave it down in the comments below. As always, please give the video a like. If you're new here, even consider subscribing to get more daily lists just like this one. And until next time, take care.